Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Pre-approvals. You are a new buyer. Congratulations, by the way. You're thinking, we want to buy, oh my gosh, let's buy a house. What's the first step? Get your pre-approval. Let's jump into it low key. Who? All buyers. You're going to have to do it. Who? I would say mortgage broker. We can get you set up. You can go to your local bank, your credit union, mortgage broker, banker. I work with a mortgage broker. Why and what is a mortgage broker? A mortgage broker works with lots of different banks, and they get you set up with a specific product that works for you in your specific situation. And they work with a lot of different banks, so they can put you at this bank, this bank, this bank, or this bank. Of course, you can go to your credit union or your local bank. They don't tailor to you as much as you would think they do, because your mortgage broker only gets paid when you actually get your house. So they're along for the ride. We're all working together. They're not on a salary. All of our goal is to get you into your house. Once you close on that house, your loan is sold to another lender that will end up servicing your loan. So that's a high level on who. You as a buyer need to call your mortgage broker. We can hook you up. When should you do this? You should do this when you're starting the process. We're thinking about buying a house. Let's go talk to the mortgage broker. Let's talk to him about getting pre-approved. What does that consist of now? That consists of them pulling your credit, them verifying your debts, verifying your assets, verifying your employment to tell you how much you can actually qualify for, and roundabout what your payment's going to be. Of course, they'll need specifics on each house to determine insurance, taxes, HOA dues, so that we can get a whole package together to determine if that house fits your budget, but at least gives you a good starting basis on what kind of price point home you're going to be looking for. When should you do it? You should do it as soon as you get started. That way you don't go on a wild goose chase looking for homes that are below your budget that you're not going to like, or above your budget that you're going to fall in love with and then can't afford to buy, and your heart is broken. That's when you should do it. In the end, how long does a pre-approval last? A lot of people will put 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. The truth is, your pre-approval is going to last forever, really, as long as your situation doesn't change. If you lose your job, obviously it's defunct. If you go out and buy 2 Corvettes and open 3 credit cards, obviously that's going to affect your pre-approval. But if you get a better paying job, you pay down some debt, you're going to maybe qualify for more. The point is, if you're about to get started buying a home, you want to get pre-approved so you know what you're doing, you can reach out to me anytime. I'll get you set up with my guy, and let's start shopping. If you found this video helpful, we'd love for you to subscribe and check out our others. Thanks for watching.